1. Gather the supplies you will need. A screwdriver and lemon furniture polish. Never use oil. 2. Spray the furniture polish onto the screwdriver. Then insert the lubricated screwdriver between the grip and handlebar. Push it all the way in. 3. Move the old grip around and around until the grip is loosened from the handlebar. Twist it with your other hand until you feel it sliding. 4. Pull it to remove the grip. Spray some furniture polish in there if more lubrication is needed.